YouTube was popping. Listen, I know. I've been gone for a couple days, a week, week and a half. I'm sorry, but listen, I've been trying to think about ideas for YouTube or what to give y'all. Well, I wanted to give y'all some tutorials, but it's hard right now. Finding customers that want to get their hair cut on camera. It's hard. You don't know how many people don't want to get their hair cut on camera. I've been thinking, I've been strategizing, even if that's a word, I think it don't sound right to me, but I've been thinking what to bring on YouTube, and I was meal prepping. You know, I got to do this fast because I'm meal prepping right now. Yes, I'm trying to meal prep. I'm trying to eat good. I'm trying to eat healthy, and I'm trying to save money. But anyways, I was trying to think, what can I give y'all guys? And I've did y'all a barber room tour, but I don't think I broke down my arsenal, what I use, what I like, my clippers and stuff. So this video is going to be about my clippers. Appreciate everybody that been subscribing, liking videos, commenting, follow me on Instagram and stuff like that. And let's get into the video. I appreciate everybody being patient and supporting me. We out. Good. So this is my clipper arsenal, my setup. This is what I basically do anything with, everything with, whatever with, you know what I'm saying? This is what I use for house calls. This is what I use at a barber shop. This is what I use at barber school. This is what I use at a red light if somebody asks me for a haircut. This is what I use. So it's not one of the best looking, you know, clippers setup, but honestly, this will get you through any type of haircut, this setup honestly will give you everything you need, man. Everything. If you know how to work these clippers, it's all about how you handle these tools, man. It don't matter how much the cost or none of that. So let's get into it. My first thing that I use is a full shaver, my Babyliss full shavers. You see how it's kind of scratched up, but I got it because it sets with my rose gold setup. You know, this is my Babyliss clipper right here. You know, I had these for a while now. So these my first big boy purchase. No, these were the trimmers were, and this was my second big boy purchase. So these are the trimmers. I got these set right. There's zero gap, but they're not to the point where, you know, you leaving marks, you leaving guidelines, you leaving bloody guidelines with these. No. Barbers, remember, do not zero gap your clippers, your liners, if you don't know what you're doing. Remember that. These are my custom wall seniors. I made this cover. I got the idea from Sean Cuts Hairs. So this is my wall senior setup, and honestly, these bad boys are very dope, man. These are like amazing. I put the ceramic blade on it, and wow, man, it runs through the hair so smooth, smoother than what it did. So if you got a wall senior, man, try to put a ceramic blade on it, man. You'll see the difference on the clipper work, man. So this is my first pair right here, my Andes Masters. These were also given to me by the school, so this is my first pair of clipper that I actually started working. Well, no. I had some Magic Clips, but I sold them, man. I wasn't a big fan of the Magic Clips, so these were my first pair of clippers that I actually started working with. My first pair of liners. I got these bad boys set right, man. These, you see how they look right now, beat up, scratched up. They look like, man, you please don't tell me you're finna line me up with these. Man, I'll give you $1 million lineup with this, man. They got the fine tooth blade, got the GTX blade? Yeah, GTA. I was finna say GTR. I'm thinking about racing chair, my bad. But yeah, I got the GTX blade on it, man. It's pretty dope. You know, I really love these clippers, man. So, you know, I painted that clipper and everything. So really, you know, I honestly feel like this setup right here will be one of the best setups to start out with if you thinking about buying clippers. If you got Walmart clippers and you think about living and love, I'll say start off with these first, or I'll buy me some Magic Clips, or not these seniors, man, and buy you some cheap liners, man. As long as you set them up right and you know how to use your liners, there will be perfection in your craft, man. You'll find what you're looking for. So this right here is just essential tools that I use, as in I got my shears. I got 2 pairs of shears, and I got my blending shears. I got my clipper over comb, my my all-purpose combs. I got my clipper brush. I got a pick. I got my razor. This is my razor. It's a pretty dope razor by MD. The Black Dragon, pretty dope. It's not fully exposed or none of that, man. It's really small exposed, little bit exposed. So I'm looking for a new razor. If y'all got any razor suggestions, man, hit me up. Let me know in the comments. This is my Magic Barber pencil right here. This is what I use to give that crazy outline with my clients that ask for, more advanced haircuts with enhancements and stuff like that. I like to put that on there and show out. This is my applicator bowl for my enhancement, with the little pump in the bag, and it'll shoot out enhancements and stuff like that. Got the enhancements running out of there. Pretty dope. I see how people use it in slow-mo, and it looks pretty dope, man. How the enhancement moving there. But overall, man, this is my kit. If you have any questions about anything, man, just let me know. I will be glad to, share any comments or anything about this, man. I appreciate everybody, following and all that. So y'all make sure to like, comment, subscribe on this video, man, and follow me on social media at Chapo Blends, and show some love, man, and we out.